Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys looking for the best Wi-Fi range extender that gives you the best Wi-Fi coverage range? Then this videos is highly made for you. In this video we will do the Wodgreat Wi-Fi Extender setup in very simple and easy way. The Wodgreat Wi-Fi Extender is a small plug-in device that boosts your existing home Wi-Fi signal to reach dead zones, like garages, basements, or distant rooms. So let's start the setup video. First of all, plug the extender into a wall outlet. Wait for the power LED to turn solid, usually green or blue, depending on the model. On your device, phone/laptop, open Wi-Fi settings. Find and connect to the extender's default network, which is usually named something like Wodgreat_EXD or Wi-Fi XXX extender. Refer to the label on the extender for the exact SSID. No password may be required, or check the label. Open any web browser, like Chrome, Edge, Safari. In the address bar, type either of the following and press enter: http://192.168.10.1 or http://ap.setup. This opens the extender's login page. Log in to the admin panel. On the login page, the username is admin or the password is admin, or check label if different, click login. After logging in, choose repeater mode or wireless repeater. This mode allows the extender to repeat your existing Wi-Fi signal. The extender will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Wait for the list to load, then select your home/main router's network name, SSID. Enter the Wi-Fi password of your main network, the one your router uses. This allows the extender to connect and repeat that network. Click on Apply or Save. The extender will now reboot. This takes about 30 to 60 seconds. The status LED will blink and then turn solid once connected. After successful setup, unplug the extender and move it halfway between your router and the area with weak signal. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.